How's it going, guys? Good morning to you. Just letting you know, getting ready to go skydiving with my uncle right now, Hector. Don't forget to follow him, by the way. But I'm just getting this little collage of all these videos, you know, just getting a little hype going. It's my first time skydiving. His first time too. We're going to, I believe, Las Vegas skydiving, something like that. He made the whole reservation, so I don't know. I'm just coming along. But hopefully you guys check it out. But yeah, I'm gonna go head to my uncle's place right now to go pick him up, and from there on we're gonna head up to Boulder City. But yeah, let's get going.
Yo,
Bro, I'm outside.
alright.
I'm just coming in. Watch, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Oh shit, there he is. Follow his IG, follow his YouTube.
What is this?
Okay, huh?
I forgot my age.
Hey, welcome to Skydive Las Vegas. You know this is stupid, right? No, it's smart. Smartest thing ever. All right, buddy, I wish you luck. Let's do it. What's up, Bruce? What's going on, guys? Watch out, Skydive Las Vegas. We're gonna jump out of a plane. Sounds good to me. All right, man, I know you're not wearing the pants. Are you okay with that? Hey, we're saying we're jumping. We're not parachuting. Get together with your uncle. What's up? All right. Don't do it. Don't do it. All right, man.
Out of Las Vegas. That's what we doing.
Awesome, man. Sweet.
What did we do today, bro?
Fucking jump.
Fucking jump with your sick ass. Hey guys,
Crazy.
today I don't even can see you. Can you see me? Can you see me?
Yeah.
Today we fucking went skydiving. It's fucking sick. Sooner or later I'm gonna make the little edit for the whole shit. Hope you guys like it. It's gonna be dope. Don't forget to subscribe, like, also follow my boy Hector. It's gonna be sick, dude. I don't know what the fuck we're doing.
Link down below, bitch.
Down below, cause I'm driving. I don't know if the
Yeah. To right, to right, to right.
Follow my boy Hector.